event marks a significant milestone for us, and we call it isang dekadang pasasalamat kay Juan. Ten years later, as people started coming home, lumaki yung pamilya ng ACM. We were able to grow, expand, and diversify. And all of this was possible because of all of your valued contribution. Each small steps, each effort, bawat oras na nilaan nyo sa kumpanya, paved the way for ACM.
We still continue to improve kung ano pa yung mga kulang namin. Of course, admittedly, meron pa po kami mga pagkukulang. Pero rest assured, hindi po kami titigil dito hanggat hindi natin mapupunuan at hindi maitapama lahat ng nagagawa namin na mistake. We made a lot of mistakes. Kaya lang po, wala naman po makakaiwas sa mistakes. Kaya lang ang best part is, hindi po namin siya hinahayaang manatiling mali. We take it as an opportunity to begin wiser and to begin smarter.
We are really looking forward to the future. It's about creating an ecosystem where innovation and technology empowerment for everyone. Thank you very much for being a part of ACM. Thank you for letting ACM become your second home and your second family. Maraming salamat sa puso at maratarot na itinakita mo sa kumpanya.
Nagpapasalamat po ako doon sa mga naging empleyado namin, sa mga staffs namin, doon sa mga nagtiwala sa atin, sa mga nag-franchise sa atin,
Thank you so much and welcome everyone. Welcome to Wonder here.